All set? Coach, what'd you see from your side today?
There's a couple good things. We got some turnovers, and I thought some of the young guys did a nice job. Got to continue to eliminate the big play and continue to work on our tackling. That needs to get better. So good thing we have a couple more weeks before our opener. We need to really improve these next couple weeks.
Defensive line play looks pretty solid at this point.
It's getting better. We're finding some pass rushers, and we have some bodies there. We got to continue to get better, and we got to really find some more pass rushers inside from our tackles, and they are getting better, and we got to continue to find ways to rush the passer with with four guys. So that's an emphasis, whether they're linebackers or D tackles or D ends. We got to keep finding ways. With our personnel and some scheme stuff, but bottom line, just four guys rushing the passer so we can play some coverage.
Omar Bryant, obviously he has the size, but you see a guy that can have an impact for you all.
Well, I think when it's all said and done, I think he's going to help us. He's still learning. He's pretty raw right now. He wasn't with us in the spring, but he's getting better every day. And this kind of grind is new to him. He's got to get used to coming out here and competing every day in practice. And that's new. He's just got to learn that. And I think he's willing. He's just we need to continue to coach him. And he's a good kid, and I think he wants to be good. And he just got to continue to get his reps. And I think he's going to be okay.
What do you think of the performance of some of the younger defensive backs? It seemed like a lot of young guys out there making plays.
Yeah, we had some guys not practice today due to little injuries here and there, and it gave a couple of these young guys, like you said, an opportunity. And we made a lot of mistakes, and but they're all correctable. And I think we have some good young secondary guys, and we just got to keep getting more reps. And I think a couple of them are going to help us this year. All right, thanks, guys.
Thanks, Coach.